I got a messy number to, you know, personal situation and stuff.
Okay,
You see,
okay.
like, it was broke, so
Yes,
the
yes.
key could have fell anywhere, my friend could have put it in his pocket. I don't know.
Una vez desarmamos para obtener el código del carro. Es L848.
Oh, okay, you're working on this man's car.
Yes.
Okay, he's gonna take me back, and me and him are gonna go get a
I
dog.
want to help him.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
The guy is good, and, you know, he promised that he's not fast, he's not good, he's not anything.
Una vez ya cortó la llave, vamos a programar. Off. Ya quedó programado, listo.
Yo ahí en la casa como 160 o algo así.
¿Lo que tienes en qué?
En caja.
Mismo.
160, lo único que tengo ahí.
Está bien. Listo, éxito. Bye, man. See you. Take care.